The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall, skilla.
I take 30 seconds.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, me there again, big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, members of the security forces shut down a party that was being held at a place that is known as Hope Town. That's Papine in the parish of St. Andrew, Jamaica, you see? And it is said that more than 100 persons had been arrested. Yeah, it is said that more than 100 persons had been arrested, you see? Now, this video that I'm doing had been done on the 22nd of March, the year 2021. That's Monday the 22nd of March, the year 2021. You see me? And it is said that that incident happened over the weekend, on Saturday night. You see me? So, you do the maths according to when this video had been made or posted. You see me I say? Alright? You know, over the weekend, viewers and subscribers, I saw quite a number of videos that shows when members of the security forces within the country of Jamaica shut down parties within the country of Jamaica. And you know, sometime at the end of this video, I'm going to put all those pieces of videos together and present them to you. Alright? Yeah, and I'll soon get to that. Anyways, move on to another topic. You see? Now, the Prime Minister of Jamaica on the 21st of March, the year 2021, announced new curfew hours that's going to take effect in the country of Jamaica from within the rest of days in March through into April in 2021. You see me? And viewers and subscribers, on a real, a lot of people seems to disagree with the new curfew hours. However, at the same time, a lot of people agree with the new curfew hours that's going to take effect from March to April 2021. You see what I say? Here is a list of the hours or the time when you can move and so forth. You see me? Due to this new sets of curfew hours that had been announced by the Prime Minister of Jamaica. You see me? Alright, so I know something like this can be frustrating, viewers and subscribers, but at the same time, I would like to encourage each and every one out there to follow the rules and the laws of your country. Yes, I may say, because on a real, I wouldn't like to see anyone get into trouble with the law, and at the same time, I would like each and every one to continue or to do the necessary things to protect themselves and others from the COVID-19. You see? This COVID-19 pandemic really and truly is rough. The thing set like a tin set. You see me I say? Hard no bun up. Alright, now I'm gonna move on to another topic. Now, I saw videos on social media and I also heard persons say certain things to my face that goes like this. Oh, me not take the vaccine unless the Prime Minister of Jamaica then take the vaccine for the COVID-19. You see, because if the Prime Minister and the ministers them not take it, why I need to take it? Well, here we go. I saw a video circulating on social media that shows the Minister of Health who goes by the name of Christopher Tufton, actually taking the vaccine for COVID-19. You see me I said to you? See? Now I'm going to present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? And I tell us that this video shows when the minister was being injected. You see me? So some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Alright, I'm going to give him now.
Well, I wonder what persons are going to say next now. For real, me, I wonder what's next. See me I say? Now, I saw a video that shows two persons who are said to be inmates inside of a prison located somewhere within the country of Jamaica, punching each other and wrestling each other. You see me? And doing certain things that I think are very dangerous. You understand? Some places on social media, it is said that the video shows two inmates fighting inside of a prison somewhere within the country of Jamaica. Some places on social media, it is said that they were play fighting, and other things have been said about the video. However, the video shows a person that I think might be a warder. You see me? For you to get a better understanding as to what I'm talking about, I'm going to present to you pieces of that video, so that you might get a better understanding as to what happened. Now, viewers and subscribers, even though I'm going to present to you pieces of the entire video that is out on social media, I want you to please bear in mind that the entire video shows two persons who are said to be inmates punching and wrestling each other inside of a prison located somewhere within the country of Jamaica. So therefore, before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen and observe.
So come on. Hold up.
Alright, now viewers and subscribers, according to some things that you saw and heard in those pieces of videos, is that person shown in the video a warder or an employee of the prison? And could it be that the two inmates were actually play fighting? You see me? And if they are play fighting, viewers and subscribers, that play fighting to me rough. You see what I say? Anyways, I'm gonna move on to more videos. You understand me? Now I'm going to put together and present to you, my viewers and subscribers, pieces of videos that shows what happened when members of the security forces within the country of Jamaica shut down parties within the country of Jamaica over the weekend. You see me? Now this video had been done on the 22nd of March, the year 2021. You see me? This video had been done on Monday, the 22nd of March, the year 2021. So therefore, these pieces of videos that I'm about to put together and present to you are going to show what happened when members of the security forces shut down parties at different places within the country of Jamaica over the weekend. You see me? And I'm going to leave links at the end of this video. And if you click those links will take you to previous videos that I did about a few of these videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Anyways, before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen and observe.
Greda? Ama sa Tiana?
Yes, squad. Wow, no bad man. You see a beer people, you know that. Go up in a truck. Go up in a truck, boy. Stop it talking. I get two out of it now.
Get a better shot that way. Get a better shot. Come here.
Yo, in the left with the background nice, please. With the background nice.
Your phone is so clear. Get a zoom on it.
I'm getting zoom.
Yeah.
This can't hold all of them. Go up in our bus. No mask.
This I got to. You want to take off here?
Viewers and subscribers, you know, I just put those pieces of videos together and present them to you to let you have a better understanding as to what happened when it comes down to this whole thing where it is said that security forces within the country of Jamaica shut down parties at different places within the country of Jamaica over the weekend. You see me? And that is sometime within the month of March, the year 2021. You see? Alright, let me know what you think about this entire video. You understand? Yeah, let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you. Let me know what you think about the things that I talked to you about. Alright? So big up and respect to each and every one. Stay safe and protect yourself and others from the COVID-19. Follow the rules and the laws of your country. You see me? Because me Dancehall Skilla, I only wish the best for each and every one. Alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm name Dancehall Skilla. You know, big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch. Dancehall Skilla.